Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dat, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. With more than 180 currencies being recognized as legal tender across the globe today, currency exchanges have become imperative for efficient global trade and tourism. Currency exchange is needed when you want to invest in another country. It is also needed when you want to travel to the other. It is also needed when you want to travel to another country. Over the years, brick and mortar financial institutions such as banks, brokerage firms, and currency traders have been leading the way in the provision of currency exchange services. These financial institutions charge upwards of 2.5% currency conversion fees. However, with the perverse growth of the internet has made it possible for organizations or individuals to convert money online via currency exchange websites. This has made it easy for individuals and organizations from all around the globe to convert cash without so much hassle. It has also given consumers more choice and therefore much lower rates. By not searching around for the best currency exchanges, you could be paying more than you should be to convert your money. It'll be like giving that money to the banks for no reason at all. That honestly does not sound smart at all. Just like not smashing that like button also doesn't sound smart either. So if you could kindly take a few seconds right now and smash that like button, it would be really appreciated. It just takes a few seconds, even if you have to pause the video. I would greatly appreciate it. I do a lot of money conversion myself because I love buying stocks from the US, so these websites are great ways to convert your money without emptying your wallet. There are many ways to exchange your money, so in this video, I want to share with you the top 4 currency exchange websites. Because I'm a huge computer guy, it's definitely much more worthwhile for me to save money and use non-conventional methods like these websites. Let's get right into it. The first website is XE, boasting to be one of the most renowned global foreign exchange platforms. XE is a professionally designed website that is easy to use and navigate. The platform offers a broad range of other financial services besides being among the most reputable and trusted international foreign exchange website. The site is cost effective as compared to other platforms, and it helps you save money in the long run. It covers up to 70 currencies across 170 countries. Some of the best things about this website is that it features an excellent exchange rate tools, offers strong services and support. It is also multilingual. Albeit, I used to love this website because it was so easy to use. Now, however, they got a little bit too expensive. Still, a great website. The second website I would use is TransferWise. It has rebranded and is now called Wise. The website allows you to exchange currencies with other individuals seeking to convert their money to your currency. This platform is also renowned for its swift transfer services, which enables you to send or receive money in various countries. The website also takes pride in its transparency, which is what allows parties to view fees and rates before they make any transaction. TransferWise also has better rates than XZ, but it definitely doesn't have as much support if things go wrong. They also don't have any pickup locations, so if you're going to countries that don't accept credit cards or bank cards, this one will be tough. TransferWise is my go-to website as it gives me the most value for money. Third website I have is Oanada. If you're looking for something different and the first two websites just didn't do it for you, try Oanada. Vetted with several prestigious awards for its outstanding customer service, Oanada is a US-based platform that offers top-class currency exchange services. Besides, they also provide money transfer services like Forex and CFD trading and corporate FX payments. This platform provides currency conversion for up to 160 currencies. The website is a little simple and the financial information is not available for those who are not transacting with this platform. So, if you're planning to send money home, they will have to sign up with Oanada as well. So far, Oanada has one of the best rates available. The last website is Travelex. I see their booths everywhere in the airports, so cash pickup is more than readily available. Travelex is also another popular online platform for currency exchanges around the world. The website boasts a ton of currency exchange resources such as the currency calculator, historical analysis, graphs, and monthly averages. Through Travelex, businesses and individuals can access exchange rates for different currencies from all over the world. This site's exchange rates reflect the changes that occur in the worldwide markets whenever they occur. Unfortunately, Travelex doesn't have the most competitive exchange rates. These are my 4 favorite exchange websites. I hope you enjoyed this list. I also hope that this list will help you make some decision faster when you do need to exchange currency. If you like this list and you found this information helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. It's really twofold if you smash that like button. First, you push this great content out to more viewers. Second, you keep the fight on with those dislike trolls. If you have your own favorite website and would like to continue the conversation, make sure you join me and the many others at the Daddy Dat Facebook group. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. I hope this list will help you make more efficient currency exchanges. At the end of the day, I hope that this list will help you reach that dream goal faster. Whether it's that dream house of yours, if it's that modern mansion, travel the world and backpack across Europe, retire early and become financially independent. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, thanks for watching. If you like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.